Everyone, with Dan Spindle, I'm Shara Park. In the wake of Sergeant Hooser's death, we go to Utah County, where the Utah County Attorney's Office has filed formal charges against the man suspected in his death, Michael Aaron Jane.
News specialist Kara Bracken joins us live in Provo. Kara, you were inside. The Utah County Attorney spoke this morning, breaking down the charges. What do we know?
Yes, we were just inside and we were given a document detailing the 9 felony offenses that the county is bringing against Jane in those cases that unfolded on May 5th. So that's what we're breaking down right now. They say this is just the early steps in the process moving forward. After a short stay at the University of Utah Hospital, Jane was booked into the Utah County Jail on suspicion of murder. Fast forward to today, the county has charged Jane with 1 count of aggravated murder, a capital felony for intentionally or knowingly causing the death of Sergeant Hooser. The list goes on, including 2 counts of attempted aggravated murder, each a first-degree felony for trying to kill a UHP trooper and a woman who had been a passenger in Jane's semi-truck. 1 count of aggravated kidnapping, a first-degree felony for using or threatening to use a weapon against the woman in the truck. 1 count of burglary, a second-degree felony, 3 counts of automobile theft, each a second-degree felony, and 1 count of failing to obey the lawful command of a police officer to stop, a third-degree felony.
At trial, it will be our burden to prove Mr. Jane's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, and ultimately it will be for a jury to decide whether we have met that burden. I am assembling a team of my best attorneys to achieve that end.
The county attorney says at this point, the charges and info right now are only allegations until moving forward in the process. The most serious charge, aggravated murder, a capital offense. Under Utah law, a person convicted may face 1 of 3 possible sentences. Life in prison without the possibility of parole, 25 years to life in prison with the possibility of parole, or the death penalty. If after the preliminary hearing a judge decides Jane should go to trial, he will be required to enter a plea to each of the charges in an arraignment hearing. If pleading not guilty at the arraignment, then by statute, there will be 60 days to file a notice of intent to seek the death penalty. Now, there is a lot to weed through, and I want to show you that document. Again, we are talking 9 different felony charges here that is being detailed. So I want to tell you also that tomorrow at 3 o'clock, that's when Jane is going to go before a judge as far as moving forward to be told what these charges look like. Guys, I'll send it back to you inside.
Yeah, that appearance tomorrow kicks off this court case. This is the beginning of what is going to be a very lengthy court case. Kara, thank you.